monsters escape to the sea. When the spring spills out its magic dust on me, and then I'm dying to be dying to be dying to be Yes, I try to keep my distance. Yes, I try to stay alone, and I try to keep my resistance. But I was wrong, and I put on my armor, shield and sword, and I'm fighting against her. Stronger than make love, especially when a fool like me can really be a bar. Why? Tell me why you use my sympathy to hurt another man. And so I leave early in the morn. I'm sneaking out of your room, won't see me anymore. So I leave early in the morn. I take the train at 5 o'clock, forget what I came for. And all you can reply is, boy, don't take it too hard. Soon there will be another girl and a lucky star. And so I leave early in the morn. I'm sneaking out of your room, you won't see me anymore. So I leave early in the morn. I take the train at 5 o'clock to forget what I came for. On a summery Sunday, we talked into the night. Shortly before the summer holidays, you glanced at me in the schoolyard. I had a crush on you right away and took it all too hard. Though I had never talked to you and didn't even know your name, I made my own Julia, but it nearly drove me insane. I felt sick and I couldn't breathe. I never struck me a thought they could read, but I learned to enjoy the role of the poet with his poor soul. Whatever I did, what I did, what I did was wrong. I swore I would never do it again. But I've done, but I've done, but I've done it again. I must have misinterpreted your look. My friend said, boy, play it cool. And when I not nice to me, 'cause he felt sorry for me. He invited her to a coffee where I accidentally would be. And I thought it was where he was staged. The situation was completely switched, 'cause she opened her beautiful mouth and I was bored with what came out. Whatever I did, what I did was wrong. I swore I would never do it again. But I've done it again. Whatever I did, what I did was wrong. I swore I would never do it again. But I've done it again. I can't really understand what those dangerous people plan, how they can be so absolutely sure they have the only cure. It's not written on one's face, sometimes a nice smile's fake. It's in me, it's in you, and all we can do is stop being untrue. Between good and bad, your morals make this world so sad. Explaining just with violence seems to me so mad. You have never learned to show respect. Do you think you know the difference between good and bad? Your ignorance makes this world so sad. Stop the porn of violence if you want to get ahead. The methods that they use, the wretched attitude, the cruel mentality, the terror that they cause does not deserve applause. They don't communicate, they're not willing to compromise. They kill without words, but it's easier to hate than to forgive and wait. Between good and bad, your morals make this world so sad. Explaining just with violence seems to me so mad. You have never learned to show respect. Do you think you know the difference between good and bad? Your ignorance makes this world so sad. Stop the form of violence if you want to get ahead. Find love, you gave your weapon a bad name. Perhaps life's given you some blows and disappointed you, but you can change the world with a radical view. They don't wanna give in. A sacred killing seems to be no sin. A martyr never debates because it's not his fate. And it's a written on one's face. Sometimes a nice smile's fake. And it's in me, it's in you, and all we can do is stop being untrue. Do you think you know the difference between good and bad? Your morals make this world so sad. Extravagant just for got nothing to lose. But I guess you've never felt the blues, the pain that goes right through you. But a strain of weakness seems to be taboo. Think you found what you've been looking for, but when the world makes you feel so sure that you're right to give up your quest and not care about the rest. Love is give and take. Love is joy and hate. Love is motivation, inspiration. Love's a flower and a lake. Love is the oldest dream in mankind's fate. Lay your cards on the table, put down your shield, I think you're pretty stable. Yes, we are often misunderstood, 'cause our true face is mostly overlooked. But don't let them put you down, 'cause love's the best way in all accounts. Unlock the doors, don't be afraid. You open your gates. Love is give and take. Love is joy and hate. Love is motivation, inspiration. Love's a flower and a blade. Love is the oldest dream in mankind's fate. We're the prisoners of our fantasy. Everybody longs for company. Nothing's harder than loneliness when you're free. In my dream you stood there dressed in red, while I plunged to my death. I lay down to my destiny, and I take what life gives to me. Don't banish me from your soul. Let me be your opposite pole. Yes, I'm to blame when no one's there, when no one cares. Love is give and take. Love is joy and hate. Love is motivation, inspiration. Love's a flower and a blade. Love is the oldest dream in mankind's love. It's give and take. Love is joy and hate. Love is motivation, inspiration. Love's a flower and a blade. Love is the oldest dream in mankind's love. It's give and I'm followed by essential questions running dreadfully deep. For our world agreement seems so hard to keep. Were you kidding? Were you only pulling my leg? Darling, don't exaggerate it, or just came right out of the blue. I hope it doesn't seem as if I a sudden emerge madness. And I wonder why I didn't realize someone wrote out of my reach. Can't be paid with you, and it sees me through. It's stuck to me, I beseech you. You might have missed too much, and you're finally fed up with that lie. But everything I do is wrong, 'cause your expectations are too high. What only dragged you down would only throw you out of line. And I wonder why I didn't realize someone got out of my reach. Can't keep paid with you when it sees me through. It's stuck to me, I beseech you. And I wonder why didn't realize someone got out of my reach. Can't get paid with you when it sees me through. It's stuck to me, I beseech you. And I wonder why I didn't realize if someone got out of my reach. Can't get paid with you and it sees me through. It's stuck to me, I beseech you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na she had, and the memories she held on to in her head. But she never saw the sea. He died in the mad, wasteful war. They found his body on the Crimean shore. And she never saw the sea. When I was a child, she often took me in her arms and sadly smiled. You just have her face and its charm. She showed me his last letter, looked at me, and I'll be back, we'll travel to the sea. But she never saw the sea. And when I saw the shimmering blue for the first time, I realized that the memories were also mine. But she never saw the sea. Then we solemnly stood at the grave. Her words came over me like a wave. I've never seen the sea. There was a boy with desolation in his eyes, a handful of dreams like a catcher in the rye. There was a boy born of a consumer society, for there has to be more in life to see. 'Cause he saw the golden light that shone from beneath the mysterious sea. Mother, do you think that I'm a sensitive fool? the cradle to the grave, it's just a short ride. In despair we were seeking for a shining star, and he was searching in a cave. Mother, do you think that I'm a sensitive fool? Do you think I am always trying for the moon? You know that I think too much, but can you ever really search enough while a fire's burning in your soul? Mama wakes up with fear, the party is very near. She's going to make a roast today. Her mother prepares the soup while I'm cleaning the dining room. We'll do the best for our lovely guests. I hear them chatting in the hall. Oh, how are you and how is Paul? They asked me to play a piano piece. Oh, 'cause today is Family's Day. I see the pilgrims on their towering way to our house, the yearly ritual. And Jane has gotten divorced, the children in a changing course. A midlife crisis shadows her pretty face. The scene looks always the same, same actors in the same old game. But empty chairs reveal that time comes so fast. So come on and sit down, do our charming family rounds, and you will hear about many fears. 'Cause today is Family's